Good morning, children. Today topic, we are already entered into second lesson, ideas of development. Yesterday we are discussed about different goals of different categories people in our society. Different category peoples are there. Landless, rural laborers, prosperous farmers, and next one, prosperous farmers, a unemployed urban boy, farmers who are depend upon a rainfall, they are doing the agriculture. Different categories peoples are there. They want developed in their life. Yesterday we are discussed about that. Now today topic in the same lesson, third page. When you are reading this video, you must open textbook. That is topic whose development. What is meaning of development? Yesterday I am already told. Ideas of development. Development means betterment. Development means improvement. Development means progress. So here big question rising in your textbook. Whose development? Your development? Our development? So that is not correct. Total country development. But here one question is rising in your textbook. Whose development? Our country, people development. That is the main objective of the government. Government always thinking about the people development. That's why some development programs are governments conducted. For example, you want to develop the agriculture sector. You want to develop the industry sector. How to develop the main agriculture sector you want to develop? You should be provide the food grains to 130 crores population of Indians. How to provide? You must develop the agriculture. Land is not increase, population is increase. Day by day agriculture land is decrease, population is increase. Agricultural land convert into the construction of the houses, industries, roads, etc. Day by day, total agricultural land is decrease, population is increase. Am I right? So now thinking about that, you are studying in Sharon School. 20 years back in Sharon School area, one water tank is there, surrounding agricultural lands are there. What happened now? Total disappear. Schools are coming, houses are coming, roads are constructed, government officers, government buildings are constructed. So day by day agricultural lands are decreased, population is increased. Government responsibility should be provide the food grains to coming growth population, our Indian population. How to provide? Should be develop the agriculture. How to develop the agriculture? You want to develop the agriculture, should be provide the water to agriculture sector. That's why government start the construction of the dams. Construction of the dams across the rivers. Dams are projects. In rainy season, already I am told 2 rainy seasons are there. First one, southwest monsoon season. First one. Second one, northeast monsoon season. First one southwest, second one northeast. After 2 seasons, there is no rainfall in India. That's why after rainfall there is no water, That time agriculture sector total facing some problems, water problems. That's why you should be construct the dams, water storage in rainy season. Without rainy season, should be provide the water through the canals. For example, canals digging like that, the water supply to agricultural lands. Now, our cities outer side of the Anmakonda city, near our school, one canal is there, Kakatiya Canal. The canal water connect with the Sri Ram Sagar project. Sri Ram Sagar project constructed across the Godavari river in Karimnagar district. Sri Ram Sagar, that is also called Pochampadu project. So water storage, the water supply to agriculture sector, and the water also supply to industry sector. Both are important. Another important power generation, electrical power. Today, day by day, uses of electrical power day by day increase. Day by day increase. Remember. So that's why government of India, state government thinking how to fulfill the needs of electrical power, supply the people, domestic houses purpose, agriculture sector especially, bore wells and open wells, industry sector. There is no electrical power supply, there is no developed agriculture sector, there is no developed the industry sector, there is no developed the other sectors, there is no development, there is no job opportunities. That's why government construct some dams, power projects, nuclear power projects. Here, whose development? People development. Whose development? People development. Our development, our country development. Remember, whose development? But sometime, some people suffering. For example, now Telangana government constructed different irrigation projects. When constructed, they are thinking more people benefits. But unfortunately, some village people total, their villages total removed, the village total shipped into the other places because the water storage, total water, when our storage, the villages, agricultural lands are sink into the water, submerged in water. That's why the peoples are very suffering. They're replaced one place to another places. So sometimes some peoples are suffering, more peoples are benefited. Here, understood question? Whose development? More people development. Sometimes some peoples are, some surrounding area peoples are suffering. That time government given compensation. For example, land is lost. Government given the land to land, some other places. Houses are totally sink in the water. They construct the houses, some long distance. But land to land, some money they also given, compensations also given. But few peoples are suffering, more peoples are benefited. Understood, children? Understood? That's why whose development? Our country development. Sometimes some construction dams are constructed, power projects are constructed, surrounding peoples are suffering. But that using more peoples are benefited. Government is always thinking about the more people development. Sometimes government is know very well. Few peoples are suffered.